Thokozani makhehla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Yebo. Umkhulu moyane insiza kaNkosi uDlamini wekunene. Dlubula dledlesi sanganobambo. Ukuthwala mnyamande umkhonto duma njengezulu swele. Now, today I want to speak about spiritual warfare against you and your own ancestors that leads you to be in spiritual conflict. Angithi, yeah. Now, into enzakalayo is that today I'm speaking about abortions, the importance of cleansing ingane edlulile. Did you know that ukuthi at some point akusisandla somuntu esithatha ingane yakho, akusubuthakathi nakho konke lokho, ekugcineni usuke uthakathwa amadlozi wake niqobo lwabo. Kusuka ke manje amanye amadlozi ahambe nabo ngeichitho nezixoxwa zabo, meaning that bahambe kulomhlaba bane like with that dark aura nakho konke lokho. So now bafuna ukuhlanjulula, bafuna ukugezwa, and kube namanye amadlozi futhi athi ngifuna umuntu ngizokwazi ukuthi ngimthume, ngifuna ukuthuma ingilosi encane, ngifuna ukumthuma ukuthi angenze lokhu nalokhu. Yingakho at some point nizosuka nihamba nithola miscarriage, ngoba manje amadlozi asuka afuna abasebenzi. Yathola lento engisho, ekugcineni kuba nesimo sokuthi futhi abantu abadala bayakwazi ukuthi bakwenze ukuthi ube pregnant just for the fact ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bamthathe, bayakwazi ukuthi bamsebenzise kwelinye ilizwe. Okunye futhi kusebenza ngokuthi manje wena you delaying the process of ukuthi uzenze into zakho, whatever dreams that you get, you just being ignorant. Manje bathi no, ithi sithathe ke imbewu yakho ke manje sisebenzise ngoba wena uyahluleka ukwenza lokhu kumele ukuthi ukwenze. So now, meaning that ukuthi bayakwazi ukuthi manje bathathe ke imbewu yakho ke manje bakwazi ukuthi manje makuqeda ukuzithwala bayithathe kube miscarriage, bese ke manje bayisebenzise. Now it accumulates, yonke lento le it accumulates to a point whereby unesichitho samadlozi, unengane engagezwanga okufuza ukuthi iyagezwa. You understand? So now you need to sort that out. You need to cleanse leyo system leyo ukuthi abantu abadala bakwazi ngempela ukuthi bahlambululeke, bagezeke, yonke into bese iyabonakala. Angithi? So na isebenza ngaleyo ndlela leyo ke manje ukuthi bayakwazi ukuthi manje bayenze isihlabelo ngisho ngengane yakho ukuze bakwazi ukuthi bona babe ready, babe in fulfillment. So now the importance of spiritual warfare, you end up being in conflict with yourself. You end up being depressed because of you don't understand ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani, kanti isuka eqondane nabantu abadala bakini bathi no, sizoshaya la uthanda khona kakhulu. Now sesebenza futhi ngaleyo ndlela le manje ngimangale ukuthi each and every single time you are getting miscarriages, like awuzali inhlobo like ziyachitheka each and every single time awuzithwele. Kanti no, kusuka kuba nesimo sokuthi manje lezi ngane zibize ezinye ingane, angithi ziyalanywa manje mazilanywa azilanywi kulomhlaba esiphila kuwo, zilanywa komunye umhlaba. So ziyabizana ekugcineni zihamba zibulawa indlala. Yingakho bazoyenza isibeletho sakho isihlabelo esokudliwa. Ngokusho njalo, it's important for you to cleanse, for you to fix your spirituality. Thokozani.